Ig Nobel Prize, Science Prize. It's a satiric prize that's been awarded annually since 1991 to celebrate every year, 10 really unusual or trivial achievements in scientific research. And its stated aim as being, and I will quote them, their stated aim is to honour achievements that first make people laugh and then make them think. And the name of the award, the Ig Nobel Award, it's a pun on the Nobel Prize which it parodies, and the word ignoble. So just to give you an idea of some of the award winners of recent years, digital rectal massage as a cure for hiccups. I get some of you are thinking right now, God, I wish I'd have volunteered for that one. Chin-strap penguins can squirt poo up to 40 centimetres. Ducks can be homosexual necrophiliacs too. I mean, the suicide rates were linked to the amount of country music played on the radio at one point, and why woodpeckers don't get headaches. So we would have been without all of this, had no speculative research or been conducted or stuff that was deemed irrelevant by people looking to fund research. So do go and check out their research. Read some of the winners from recent years. They're nuts and they make for some fascinating reading. So